So the dogs and I are walking the K&P Trail right now and heading south from White Lake Road. It's cloudy in advance of a rain band shortly to arrive at noon, and a bit breezy from the east. And already I've got a few birds showing up here. I just heard a Virginia rail, my first of the year. And we had snipe calling, grackles, swamp sparrows, song sparrows. So just 100 feet into the trail and already got 7 or 8 species. Most of what we're passing through here is shrub swamp thicket consisting of speckled alder, dogwoods, willows of various types, and trees such as aspen and ash, and various grasses that you'd see in a marsh, cattails. You can hear the swamp sparrows singing in the back probably. Willow catkins are coming out. There's some marsh out here with a mix of cattails, dogwood, various grasses. So here at this marsh, I'm hearing a chorus frog just to the right of me. Sounds like your fingers being drawn across the teeth of a comb. In the distance, I had spring peepers and leopard frogs singing. Some Canada geese coming over and some turkey vultures. Luna just had a swim. Now she's having a roll. Coal Lake off in the distance there, and we're walking through the surrounding marshes to the east side of Coal Lake right now. Here come the adder's tongue lilies. They are not in bloom yet, but you can see their mottled leaves here. Spring beauties coming up in flower. Here's some bloodroot in bloom. You can see the leaves are sort of large palm-shaped. These are not fully out yet, but these are palm-shaped, multi-lobed leaves. And then the flowers are 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter. One of the earliest flowers to come out in spring. Dutchman's breeches. So the spring ephemerals need the light available in the forest prior to the trees coming out in leaf. Need that energy of sunshine that gets down through the branches before the leaves come on. That's why we have a flush of spring ephemerals that come up all through these temperate, mixed and deciduous forests in the spring. And it's quite a display. They're just starting now, but in a week or two, floors of the forests around here will be carpeted in different spring plants. I hear an osprey calling out on the island. This bird's been nesting out on this little island for a few years now. little wet part of a field down there, and it's full of chorus frogs singing. As soon as the ice is out of the ponds, these guys start singing. Here's some fragile fern growing out between the granite boulders here on the cliffside. Nice, delicate little fern. Here's a nice little group of hepaticas. This would be Hepatica acuta-loba, or sharp-lobed hepatica. See, the leaves are a maroonish green color with a patterning in them and sharp pointed on the ends, compared to the other hepatica that's got more rounded lobes.